Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to use the navigation gestures in the Realme X. So if you want to know what application I'm using for the navigation gestures, as you can see here, so there is a background application going on. So I'll be doing a separate video on that. So every week I'll be doing best Android applications. Stay tuned for that if you want to know what application I am using right now. So if you open the convenience ad and you can find the navigation keys. So in the last option you can find virtual keys can be hidden. So this feature is very useful if you are using any browsing application, or if you are texting, or if you are using same application for a long time, you can just hide the navigation bar buttons. So when you swipe back, you'll get the navigation bars again. So this is very useful if you want to watch the particular application in full screen mode. So if you are using the navigation bar buttons, I will highly recommend to use this option, virtual keys can be hidden. So next, if you don't want to use the virtual buttons, then there's another swiping gestures options as well in this Realme X. So when you swipe from the left or right, you can go back, or if you long swipe, you'll get back to the previous application, as you can see here. So this is very useful in switching the applications, very fast and convenient to use. So swipe from the center, you go back to the home screen. If you swipe and hold, you'll go to the multitasking. So there are more gestures in this. So there are 4 different gestures if you want to use. So if you swipe from the left or right, you go back, and if you swipe from the middle, you go to the home screen, as you can see. And if you swipe and hold, you'll get the multitasking all the applications at one glance. So there are different gestures in this Realme X in this phone when compared with the other devices. So here you only get going back to the home screen and swipe up to all to get all the applications. So in the third option, you get the swipe back on the right side to go back. So from the left, if you swipe, you'll get the multitasking, and the middle, you go back to the home screen. And if you swipe from the right, it acts as the back button. So depending on what hand you use, you can enable this either right or left. So swiping from right, go back to the multitasking, and from the left, it's the back button. So mostly I highly recommend to use the swiping gestures from both sides, so which is very easy and convenient go back and forward between the applications. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the upcoming video on the best Android apps and the games. So I'll be reviewing what application I'm using in the background in the navigation bars to guess this kind of theme. See you in the next video. Bye.